Hello everyone. Welcome back to AI News Flash with AI Rav. This is your weekly breakdown of the biggest AI moves from September 22nd to September 28th, 2025. For business owners, this isn't just hype. It's about staying ahead of where AI is reshaping customer expectations, cost structures, and competition. Let's jump right in. In news from the big software giants, Google's Gemini is moving beyond chat into daily life. Android Photos now edits by text or voice, removing objects, fixing lighting, or restoring old family pictures. Mixboard Labs helps design mood boards from prompts like "Plan my Halloween party." Play Store adds guided AI searches to help users find apps tied to their goals. Gamers get Gemini live tips in real time, plus play games leagues. AI mode also rolled out for Spanish speakers worldwide. For business owners, customers might soon expect AI personalization everywhere, from product searches to online gaming. Google also improved its Live API for building voice agents. It now handles interruptions, pauses, and side conversations gracefully. Your AI receptionist won't freeze mid-sentence anymore. Businesses can now deploy smoother customer-facing voice agents, cutting costs without cutting experience. Google also connected AI directly to Chrome DevTools via the Model Context Protocol. Developers can describe bugs in plain English, and AI can run debugging steps. Takeaway: faster fixes mean happier customers and fewer bad reviews. Musk's xAI just released Grok 4 Fast. It has a 2 million token memory and built-in web search. Performance matches GPT-5 at 23 times lower cost. Also launched Grok Teams for collaborative work. Takeaway: high-quality AI is now budget-friendly, letting small firms use enterprise-grade tools. ChatGPT Pro now includes Pulse. Each morning, it crafts 5 to 10 personalized briefing cards using your Gmail, calendar, chats, and news. It's like waking up with a chief of staff already working. Apple is secretly testing an internal ChatGPT-like app called Veritas. Employees use it to test smarter Siri functions. This signals a major Siri overhaul is coming, currently estimated in March 2026. Meta launched a new feed called Vibes in the Meta AI app, powered by Midjourney and Black Forest Labs. Users can browse, remix, and create AI videos. Critics say it looks like AI slop. Brands must stand out with story and authenticity, not just volume. Meta open-sourced Code World Model, or CWM, a 7 billion parameter code model. It simulates execution before writing code, reducing bugs. Developers can fine-tune it for industry use. In news from Microsoft, Copilot now lets users switch between OpenAI and Anthropic models. Claude Opus 4.1 for reasoning, Sonnet 4 for content-heavy work. Copilot Studio supports mixing multiple providers. For businesses relying on Microsoft Copilot, now will have access to Claude Code and more. Microsoft is also testing a pilot marketplace where publishers are paid each time Copilot uses their content. Takeaway: content owners may see new revenue. Businesses using Copilot may see new costs. In the creative AI news segment, Anthropic's Claude can now turn Figma designs into ready-to-use code. It passes layouts, tokens, and components. For creators, faster design-to-development handoff saves time and reduces costs. Spotify now requires artists to label AI contributions. Fake uploads, clones, and profile mismatches will be blocked. Takeaway: transparency in creative AI is becoming mandatory. In international news, Alibaba released Qwen 3 Omni. It handles text, image, audio, and video. Open source under Apache license, only 25 cents per million tokens. Takeaway: strong open alternatives give startups global reach. Alibaba also introduced Qwen 3 Max with over 1 trillion parameters. It can code and run agentic tasks with minimal human input. Takeaway: rival to top Western models, lowering barriers for global developers. In the hardware news segment, NVIDIA will invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI to build 10 gigawatts of AI data centers. First phase goes live in 2026. In addition, OpenAI is also working with Oracle and SoftBank to add 5 new data centers across the US, raising Stargate capacity to 7 gigawatts. Alibaba will use NVIDIA's physical AI to simulate 3D environments for robotics, cars, and factories. Takeaway: digital twins and factory simulations will soon be mainstream. Microsoft is testing microfluidic cooling for GPUs. It reduces chip heat by 65%. Takeaway: more efficient cooling means cheaper, denser cloud compute. Huawei plans to build massive Ascend chip clusters with domestic backing. They laid out a 3-year plan to challenge NVIDIA's AI dominance, aiming to use massive Ascend chip clusters, high-speed interconnects, to overcome hardware limitations. Google launched Gemini Robotics 1.5. Robots can now reason through tasks, research online rules, and transfer skills across designs. Takeaway: robotics adoption might just got faster for manufacturing and recycling. In news from cool startups, former Google developers launched Huxe. It creates interactive podcasts from your emails, schedules, and curated topics. For business owners, it might now be easy to convert your newsletters into talk shows for brand engagement. Roborock introduced the RockNeo Q1. It maps yards with AI, trims edges, climbs slopes, and avoids obstacles. For homeowners, lawn could be joining automation economy soon. That wraps up the AI news flash for the week of September 22nd to 28th. From smarter photo editing to trillion parameter open models, the signal is clear. AI is weaving into every layer of business, whether you build products, run services, or simply manage a team. My takeaway? The winners won't just be the ones using AI. It'll be the ones who integrate it everywhere customers notice the difference. This video was powered by Hagen. If you found it useful, hit like and follow Human Rab so you never miss your weekly AI fix. And don't forget to hit follow for next week's drops. See you then.